Okay, one more thing I want to show you though is, in this case, we did a Vlookup in which we were looking at data that was already in this spreadsheet. But sometimes you're actually doing a Vlookup for data in a different spreadsheet. So I'm actually going to delete all of that, do it again. And I want to show you how you would do that. So I want to do Vlookup again. I'm going to do the same search key. But where are we going to look now? For the range, I'm going to nest in an import range. So now I'm going to do import range, and now we're going through the whole shebang again. The URL, form responses 1 exclamation point, and I want to go from B through E. So I'll do B through E. All right, I think that's good. Awesome, that was the whole range. And then, all right, I'm going to close that. All right, what's the index we're going to look for? I think it's the 4th, E, C, D, E. Awesome, great. Oh, amazing. Everything worked again. So in this case, I was doing a VLOOKUP again. And where was I looking? I had to use this import range to I didn't actually import all the data into this spreadsheet, but we used that as a say to like, hey, pull this data and look through it and then spit out what I need. Again, I've got this error thing going on, so I can do a nested if error, keep everything the same, and then could not find. Great, copy that all the way down. All those errors should go away. Turns into a could not find. My conditional formatting makes it red. So it indeed is the case that we have a pretty gnarly looking formula here. We've got 3 nested formulas, if error, VLOOKUP, and import range. But again, I think we can see how this might be really helpful for us when we're pulling data from one spreadsheet to another to sift through that which we need to find. So friends, I hope you found this helpful, and I hope that you're able to put this to good use.